Hey everyone, welcome back to another gluten-free and oil-free vegan recipe. This is a family favorite. It's easy, tasty and versatile. It can be used in burritos, wraps, sushi, as a pizza topping and many other dishes. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cans of young green jackfruit in brine, 1 vegan and gluten-free mock chicken stock cube, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 3 garlic cloves chopped finely, 2 tablespoons sweet soy sauce, and water to deglaze the pan. It's really important that you drain and soak the jackfruit for at least 2 hours in water and then rinse at least 3 times. And this is because it comes in brine, and if you keep the brine or any remnants of the brine in there, then it can overpower the flavour. To prepare the jackfruit, remove the seed from the fruit. Remove any hard pieces, and that includes the seeds. Soak the shredded jackfruit for at least 30 minutes before draining. Add the stock cube, garlic and soy sauce. Massage these ingredients into the jackfruit. Cover and refrigerate overnight. Place your non-stick pan on medium-high heat. Once the pan is heated, place the jackfruit in. Then add your scallions and sweet soy sauce. Mix the ingredients in and cover for a few minutes. Stir on a fairly regular basis, but ensure you leave it for long enough so that it develops a caramelization on the jackfruit. Deglaze the pan with a few tablespoons of water. One of my favourite ways to have the shredded chicken is in a wrap. In this wrap we also have roast pumpkin, cucumber, lettuce, carrot and oil-free vegan mayonnaise. Please see the link for the oil-free vegan mayonnaise recipe. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, subscribe and make sure you hit that bell icon. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.